If I was teaching a technical concept to a friend or peer who has never heard of it before. Now before starting with the basics, I would build interest in that person regarding that concept. I will try to make him or her more engaged in the concept by explaining the real-world applications of that concept and how it can benefit us. Now, I would explain the fundamentals of the subject in the simplest way possible. In order to make the learning process more interesting, I would use presentations, word files, PPTs, and much more. I would keep interacting with him or her in every step to make sure that my friend or peer is grasping the concepts clearly. When I come to the details and the criticalities of the subject, I will explain the concepts while giving the real-life applications of the topic. I will also keep fun quizzes in between to get an idea of how much he or she has understood. Of course, I will happily clear all the doubts during the session and make sure that he or she has a clear concept by the end of the session. For example, suppose I am teaching my peer the concept of linked lists. Firstly, I would explain what are array lists and why are they used. The importance of lists. Why do we specifically mean when we say the word linked? Why do we use linked lists instead of normal lists? I would go on to explain him how the linked lists help us in allocating memory dynamically as they are not stored contagiously in memory locations. Then I would go on to explain the applications of linked lists, for example, in the circular queue algorithm. I would first explain what is a queue, why we use a queue, the applications of queue in real life, and how we can implement it using linked lists. Then I would explain how with the help of a linked list we can optimize the space wastage that is present in a linear queue. How we point to the last node and link it back to the first node, thus creating a circle. Thank you.